Many times this question is asked, what do I mean by work-life becoming an asset to the company? I believe that when organization recognizes that your actions and outcomes to achieve your professional career growth goals are aligned with the organization's growth goal, you become an asset to the organization. Now the question is how one can become an asset to the organization. It is simple process of visibility of your skills and output that your peers and superiors start recognizing. And I consider that topmost among them is communication skill, which not only helps one in connecting with those around, but also is a medium to make visibility of one's rest of the skill sets that organization considers for an employee to become an asset. Some important skill sets and actions which I divide between organization level and personal level. These important skill sets and actions can help a person to become an asset to the organization.